Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Car Place in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this lovely Citroen C4 Picasso. So this vehicle has 17-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors. Inside the car, front seats both have massage function, touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. So for this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with speed limiter. The vehicle's done less than 11,000 miles. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's using our click and collect service, our home delivery service, or just arranging an appointment to come and view the vehicle. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.